How to open Google Play Store account on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that, launch the Play Store application. So generally, in order to open Play Store account, what you need to have is a Google account. So if you associate any of the Google account, then you will be able to create the Google Play Store account. So simply, as you can see on the top of the screen, here is my profile. So this is an account on Google Play Store itself. So if you want to add another account, you can simply tap on the options of arrow down button and simply select on add another account, and you have to select on Google. And as you select on Google, you just have to verify yourself, and simply you can either create new account or you can just add the existing account for other account over here. So just mention and enter your login credentials and you'll be able to open Google Play Store account on Android phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.